You're allowed to change your mind about what you want, about who you are, about what you thought would make you happy. The version of you from 5 years ago didn't know everything you've lived through since. And maybe that dream doesn't fit anymore. Maybe that path you fought for now feels more like a cage than a calling. That's not failure, that's growth. The world told you to be consistent, but no one warned you that loyalty to your old self can become self-betrayal. Change isn't weakness, it's alignment. You're not meant to stay static. You're meant to evolve, to question, to expand. So, let go of the guilt. You're allowed to leave behind the person you were brave enough to outgrow. This isn't starting over. This is starting truer.